What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $29,900, down about 1% on the day. What I want to do is take a look at Bitcoin on the 1 week time frame, and we're going to work our way into the 1 hour time frame. So if you get something from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated, and let's dig into this. So the most important thing that I can talk to you guys about today is structure. And for structure here, you've seen that 15,460 has been our low. Our next higher low, 19,568. Our next higher low, 24,750. So this is the structure, these higher lows that we need to keep intact here, guys. So we need to hold 24,750. And why this is such a significant area is because if we broke down through that, then we're going to break this structure of the higher lows as well as this blue trend line, and we'd also lose our 200-week moving average. So this whole area here around 27,000 down to about that $25,000 is a really big area that Bitcoin needs to hold. So we've been fighting around this 30 here. What the bulls also need to try to do is get over top of $32,000. If we break over top of $32,000, have a nice weekly candle close up above that area, that could open the doors for some higher levels, even possibly up to $40,000. And the reason for that is, guys, is just due to how fast we fell on the backside here. Sometimes we can make it up that fast on the opposite side. It's kind of like in stocks, you'll have gaps, and the gaps will get filled, 80-90% of the time. Sometimes in crypto here, since we don't have those gaps, when we have big waterfall flushes to the downside, sometimes you can make it up on the upside just as fast. So I'm not saying that's going to happen, but we have to look at that $32,000 area because that could present a nice trading opportunity. If we close up above that on some volume, we may have a nice little trade opportunity to where we can stick our stop below this 200-week moving average and try to get a nice risk to reward ratio. But guys, when we're looking at this here, right now the bulls, they're still in control. They're up above our 200-week moving average and our 200-day moving average. So that's what I really like to look at and make sure that we have that win behind us. And so far we do have it behind us, guys. We just need to hold these levels. So really watch that, 24,750. If we get into the 1 day time frame, all right, so on the 1 day time frame here, guys, you can see a few times 31,450, 31,500, 31,862. So this is an area here that we have to get up through. So far, we've seen some rejection. We had a bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, which could show that we get pushed back down into some of these lower levels. So this is what we're talking about, guys. This whole area here is going to be a big deal for Bitcoin. We're going to need to bounce from it. If we put our Fibonacci retracement on, right here, we are still holding the 0.382, which is important for us. If we do hold this area, that can show that we can have another leg up. If we start getting down to that 0.5 or that 0.618, sometimes that can show you're going to get in an equilibrium and chop for a little bit. So we really want to hold that 0.382 at 29,155, see if we can make a move to the upside. So let me get these pivots off so we don't complicate things too much here and step back. So far, guys, right now for our structure, everything's looking pretty good for Bitcoin here. We need to hold this 200-day moving average, which is going to put us at about 25,871. So same deal, that big area coming in again. We have to see what the bulls are going to do with that area. Let me get off the smart concepts here. Hey guys, we're going to get into the 4 hour time frame. And let me know what you've been doing with Bitcoin. Are you trading it? Have you just been slowly dollar cost averaging? I would love to hear down low. So right here, guys, 4 hour time frame, same deal, looking to see if we can hold the 0.382 and get a break to the upside for a potential move is what I'm looking for, at least if we're going to hold this area. That's what we need to watch. If we get into the 1 hour time frame, really chopping sideways here. Guys, support's going to be 29,409. Upper 31,882 is what we need to get through. So I want to bring you a quick one here, guys. Really watch these key areas. They're going to be important for us. God bless and take care.